All right, guys, today's going to be a little bit of a masterclass. I want to teach you guys the four things, the four principles that I use in trading. If you can get these four things down, you will be successful in trading. And I know some of these nuggets that I've got written down here, we are going to whiteboard today. You may know about, you may not. But let me start into this by saying I'm teaching this to you guys based off what I've learned this cycle. We are over $1.2 million in profit before this big alt season has started. The alt season has started. There's no doubt about that. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. But part of the way we've been able to achieve this, and let me just get out the whiteboard. I want to teach kind of a lot today, if that's okay. Just take a bunch of notes or just remember this video. You guys can pin it if you'd like or save it. So what I'm going to teach you guys today, this is the result. This is what I did. These four things are what I did, and this was the result. We went from, I told this to you guys, in September we went from 12.95 Bitcoin, and we just calculated this a couple weeks ago. We're over 22 Bitcoin worth in our account. And this is not counting reinvestments of cash. Okay, so we have grown our account 10 Bitcoin in a matter of about a 3 to 4 month period by doing simply shifts of dominance. Okay, remember BTC.D, Bitcoin dominance, and then moving into altcoins, so others.D. If you guys understand how the money shifts in these markets and how money's going to flow into Bitcoin, and then eventually money's going to start flowing out of Bitcoin, it's going to flow into altcoins, you guys are going to be able to get into the coins like we've seen absolutely skyrocket, which have been what, guys? They've been XRP, XLM, Solana. Okay, we got into Solana at $24. It's going to go over 500 this cycle. How do you get into this? Okay, so that's what I want to start teaching on today. Okay, let me get a new spreadsheet out here. And I want to take a little bit slower today because I want to just teach you guys a bunch here. Okay, the number one thing that I feel like really gave me the biggest edge, and it's so simple, but people fail to do this, diversification. I'm not the best speller, guys. I'm just going to be completely honest with that, so I apologize if I spell something wrong here. At the simplest point here, it says this. If you are trying to go and bet on your top 3 to 5 cryptocurrencies, I don't think that's a good idea. And I've even proven this to some of our members before, because our members have come to us and they've said, okay, Travis, I've gotten my strongest coins. I built this arsenal of these 3 coins that I think are going to do best. And like some of them could be ISO coins. There's like an ISO coin in there. There's a meme coin. There's like a blue chip, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm like, okay, that's a good little basket right there. However, those same people, I'm not picking on anyone. Please hear me out. Those same people are like, I didn't experience the XRP jump. They're like, I didn't experience the XLM. I didn't experience Algo, which is going to go a lot higher than where it's going to go. You guys all remember Cardano taking off? Do you guys know like Link is taking off right now? Do you guys know Aave is taking off right now with the Trump post? So guys, the simplest point of trading, if you guys are brand new, just take this note down, is just increase the amount of exposure. That's it. So point number one, guys, is diversification. So get out of 3 to 5 different holdings and get into, at minimum, 7 to 10. Okay? Even our take profit portfolio, which I'll go in here in a second, which is our passive income strategy that we make every month about $10,000, and we're about to make 20 grand this month. Actually, we're about to make 30 grand this month, which is crazy. We do that, and even that portfolio has 7 to 10 different altcoins in it. Okay, let's go to the next chart. Number 2. Okay. Number 2 is turn your indicators down. Turn your indicators down. Okay? I told this to you guys yesterday in the YouTube video, but I'm going to show it to you guys again. I'm going to go a lot slower today. This is going to be more of like a future forecast type setting because I don't want it to go fast just to make a fast YouTube video. I want to teach you guys something today. Okay. So I showed this to you guys yesterday that if you're going to XRP, XLM, anything, guys, you need to get off the weekly and the daily time frame and go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me pop this open for you guys. Okay. And your indicators, we normally keep the top and bottom finder at a setting of 10. What I want everyone to do is get this down to a 5 or get this down to a 2 on the 4-hour time frame. And the reason for this that I've been trying to explain to you guys is that the higher low formations prices are running too far before you get the higher low formation. So let's just take XRP for example. So if you got in right here and you're like, well, I was waiting for a bigger drop back down in the market before I got in. Okay, yeah, well, if you waited for this, you would have missed out at a peak value of 107%. But you wouldn't have missed out on this if you were on the 4-hour time frame and you were setting the top and bottom finder to a setting of 2, or just do a 5. 5's fine too. It's not going to be as many signals, but like just use a 5, and you guys got every single low entry on XRP before the market went up. Do you guys see what I'm saying? So all of your guys' indicator, key number 2, everybody turn your charts down. Get off the weekly, get off the daily, and get off the 4-hour for your indicators. And then use an actual indicator that is good at calling the drops, as well as calling the pumps, the re-entries. We use the top and bottom finder, and it's been the number one indicator we've used. I know it sounds like I'm going to sales here, but literally we have, look at the win rate. I'll go to the other 2 points real quick because I want to show this to you guys. It's something to just say, oh, it's a good indicator. No, we have 264 wins, and they've all been documented on a spreadsheet open to the public since February 22nd of 2023. Okay, we're going into 25 here. All right, that's the top and bottom finder. I'll show you guys how to get that later. Let's keep going. I want to get on to the next one here. Keep this a swift video, but I want to keep giving you guys a lot. So that's number 2. Turn down your indicators, guys. All right, number 3. You all should have a way that you are making passive income. By the way, I'm going to touch a little bit on these tomorrow in the future forecast and actually show you guys how to set some of these up. I'm just giving you guys a little bit of I'm giving you a lot today, but I'm giving you a little bit of a teaser. We're going to go deep into this into our membership. Okay, passive income. All of you guys should be making passive income right now, every single month. There's no excuse why you guys shouldn't be taking out 20 to 25% every single month. We've been able to do this. You guys know in September, we took out $11,000. November, we took out $13,000. December, we took out $12,000. And we just ended up we're about to take out in December. Again, I told you guys we're going to do a double portion. We're already up another $10,000 in our account, which I think we're going to push this a little bit higher. So here's what we're doing, guys. Number 3, everybody should be making a basket or a fund right now that is basically like an index fund. It's like an ETF, pretty much, but it's for cryptocurrency. We pick the top 10 cryptos that we think are going to do best. This is going to be AI. Part of these are meme coins. Part of these are blue chips. And what we do is we literally build for ourselves what's called an index fund. Okay? You guys probably hear about this in stocks, but we do this in cryptocurrency. We build this index fund with a certain balance. We started with $40,000. Okay? What we ended up doing is every time our $40,000 ended up hitting $50,000, we just ended up taking out the difference. So we've been paying ourselves, and sometimes I'll wake up in the morning, it's just we've shot past the 25%, so we're taking out more than that. So we're taking out, on average, $10,000 almost on a monthly basis here. This is working so well. What we did with our members the other day is we upped this. We actually put another $40,000 into this fund. So now we're over here. We are sitting at a total of $80K in this account. So that means every time it hits $100K, we're taking out $20,000. I just checked this morning. We're already up, okay? I'm trying to pick another color here. We're already up $9,000 just this morning, okay? So we're halfway to our target. And I guarantee you guys we're going to hit this. December is going to blow you guys away, okay? So passive income. I'll teach you guys all. Like, if you guys want to learn how to do this passive income strategy, I'm telling you, if you guys are brand new, you absolutely should be doing this. Go to the future forecast on our website. This does cost something, guys, okay? It's $65 a month. There is a 25% coupon code in the description, okay? Everybody go to the 6th. I will show you guys how we are able to do this. Go to the 6th and then watch the 3rd as well, okay? The 3rd is going to show you guys how I am making $10,000 per month with altcoins. I will give you guys a spreadsheet and show you exactly how to withdraw money from Coinbase, how to deposit, how to purchase the cryptocurrencies, and I'll give you guys exactly the cryptocurrencies I'm using to do this, because I'm telling you, the picks of the cryptocurrencies that I've picked are a huge contributor in why we've been able to be successful every month. There you guys go. Here's a masterclass for you can watch right after this of how we're making $10,000 literally on a monthly basis, $13,000 sometimes and $12,000 sometimes. That's December 3rd, okay? And then I'm going to come out tomorrow and do another future forecast you guys are going to like. Talk about timing the top of cryptocurrency. Now, number 3, what is the 3rd? Give ourselves another little, number 4. We just went over number 3. Okay. Number 4. Number 4, you guys, you need something. You need an indicator. You need a metric that has helped time the top of Bitcoin and altcoins. If you guys are brand new and if you can't name at least 3 different indicators that you know for a fact from historical data have called the tops of Bitcoin and altcoins, then you are not ready to exit this market. I guarantee you guys what you're going to do is you're going to go into this market. You're going to FOMO into this. You're going to use a bunch of the big E's. Okay, you're going to use a bunch of emotion. You're going to get really excited. You're going to start, when your account's going up, you're going to start going over to Zillow. You're going to start looking at those homes. You're going to start going over to, we use Car Gurus in the United States here, or cars.com. You're going to start looking at that fun, fancy, Lambo you want to buy. And you guys are just going to, you guys are going to live off the emotional experience of what it's like to make good money. And that's what you're going to do. Your reward this cycle is going to be an emotional reward. It's not going to be a realized reward, okay? And that's what I'm kind of nervous for some of you guys about, is that you guys actually don't have your hands on anything that has called the previous tops before for Bitcoin or altcoins. In our membership, we actually ended up giving you guys the exact chart, and I walked you through how to set this up of how we're going to exit our altcoins at the top, okay? Here's the other masterclass you need to watch. Once you guys get a membership, remember this, guys. Remember this. I'm giving you so much here today. December 3rd, this is how we're making $10,000 a month in passive income, all right? Come back up here, okay? This one right here is how you guys are going to retire with altcoins, some of you. And we do a full mock-up session. I'm giving you guys a free indicator in this. You're not paying for it. And I'm going to walk you guys through how to set up the number 1 chart that has called the tops of individual altcoins in the past. You guys can't screw this up, okay? If you use the indicators that have called the tops of Bitcoin before, okay, you are going to fail in timing the top of altcoins. Bitcoin topping indicators, I'll give this to you guys for free. The Bitcoin topping indicators say that Bitcoin should top somewhere in November and December. This is based off the 4-year halving cycle theory, all right? Only in 2017 did the altcoins pair up with the top of November and December. The 2021 cycle, those altcoins ended up topping in Q1 and Q2. Do you guys understand that? Like, if I'm saying this and you guys don't understand this, you guys need to get into the membership. I need to teach you this, because what's going to happen is this bull market's going to run too fast for you. You're going to let all this profit excite you. You're not going to exit anything at the top, and you're going to hold through a 70 to 80% drawdown, just like we saw in 2018 and 22. Those were the bear market years, and I don't want you guys to do that. So what I'm trying to do, guys, here on YouTube is come out and coach you guys, but show you this is the stuff we're teaching our members. And this is part of the reason why our account is doing so stinking well, is because I really believe God has given me a lot of wisdom in how to lead this group here and how to get into good entries. We have entries on some of these coins that are absolutely ridiculous, the amount that we've made on some of these, okay? Solana, we're up 436%. That's one of our biggest ones. Stellar up 250%. We got in at the bottom before it shot up. XRP, this only says 97% because we put in a stupid amount over $2, but we were able to get an XRP around the 60-cent mark, okay? What I want you guys to do after this is, I'm telling you guys, this is littered with gold in these future forecasts. Watch December 3rd, watch December 10th, and watch the one I come out with tomorrow. I promise this will bless you guys. In the description, there's a little emoji, gift box. When you guys click on that, it will take you to this page right here. This is our homepage. It's going to give you guys a pop-up, and it's going to say, here's 25% off the membership. Use the 25% off and just start watching the stake. Where I'm at, it is rainy and it is cozy, and it's nice coffee shop weather. So go to a coffee shop and watch those dates. And I promise you guys, you will get a lot out of it. I'm giving you guys so much free stuff in here you can keep for the rest of the bull market. Even if you unsubscribe, I'm giving you so much. Please, all I ask is that you guys don't share this content with anybody else online. That's all I ask, just to honor me in that. I give you guys so much in here, okay? I love you guys. Have a good one. Enjoy the future forecast, and I will be doing a new one on December 13th tomorrow morning. God bless you guys, and I'll see you in the membership. Bye-bye.